Welcome to the world of quantum computing. Quantum computing represents a revolutionary shift in how we process information. Unlike the computers we use today, which process information using binary bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. These qubits harness the power of quantum mechanics to perform computations in fundamentally different ways. This technology is poised to transform industries from medicine to finance, solving complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. Understanding the history of quantum computing helps us appreciate how this technology evolved. In 1982, legendary physicist Richard Feynman proposed the concept of quantum computing, suggesting that quantum systems could simulate other quantum systems more efficiently than classical computers. In 1985, David Deutsch introduced the concept of a universal quantum computer, laying theoretical groundwork. In 1994, Peter Shor developed a groundbreaking algorithm that could factor large numbers exponentially faster than classical algorithms. Then, in 2019, Google announced quantum supremacy, demonstrating that their quantum processor could perform a specific task faster than the world's most powerful classical computers. 3 core principles make quantum computing unique. First is superposition. Unlike classical bits that must be either 0 or 1, qubits can exist in a superposition of both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This means quantum computers can process multiple possibilities at once. Second is entanglement. Qubits can become entangled, meaning their states are intrinsically linked. When you measure one entangled qubit, you instantly know information about the other qubits in the entangled system, regardless of distance. Third is interference. Quantum computers use interference to amplify correct answers to problems while canceling out incorrect ones. Together, these principles give quantum computers their extraordinary computational power. Quantum computing has promising applications across multiple fields. In pharmaceutical research, quantum computers can accelerate drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions. Financial institutions are exploring quantum computing for portfolio optimization and risk analysis. Logistics companies can use quantum algorithms to optimize delivery routes and supply chains. In materials science and battery development, quantum computers can design new materials with desired properties. Cybersecurity is another critical area where quantum computing could revolutionize secure communication. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can be enhanced through quantum algorithms. These applications represent just the beginning of quantum computing's transformative potential across industries. Despite its potential, quantum computing faces significant obstacles. Error correction is a major challenge. Quantum systems are extremely fragile and susceptible to noise and interference, leading to errors in computation. Decoherence is another critical issue. Quantum states collapse rapidly when exposed to environmental disturbances, limiting computation time. Scalability remains problematic. Current quantum computers have a limited number of qubits, and maintaining their stability becomes increasingly difficult as we try to increase qubit count. The infrastructure is expensive, requiring specialized cooling systems to maintain temperatures near absolute zero. Finally, we face a talent shortage. There is a limited pool of experts who understand quantum computing well enough to advance the technology and develop practical applications. The future of quantum computing looks promising. The global quantum computing market is projected to reach $5 to $20 billion by 2030, with an estimated compound annual growth rate of 32.7%. Major breakthroughs in error correction are expected soon, with researchers developing logical qubits that achieve increased stability and reliability. Leading companies like IBM are targeting systems with over 1,300 qubits. Companies like Fujitsu are planning 1,000-qubit systems in the coming years. We are already seeing practical advantages emerging in chemistry and optimization problems. Real-world applications in drug discovery, materials science, and financial modeling are transitioning from theory to practice, signaling that quantum computing is moving from a research curiosity to a practical technology. Let's examine the current state of quantum computing in this year. Over 40 quantum processors are now available commercially from various companies and cloud platforms. The global quantum computing market is valued at approximately $3.5 billion currently. The projected compound annual growth rate through 2029 is 32.7%. IBM has announced their Kookaburra processor with 1,386 qubits. The venture capital investment in quantum computing has exceeded $2 billion in recent years. Additionally, quantum advantage has been demonstrated in practical scenarios, such as IonQ and ANSY's collaborations, showing 12% quantum advantage. These metrics show that quantum computing has transitioned from pure research into a viable and rapidly growing industry. Quantum computing is transforming multiple industries. The pharmaceutical sector is utilizing quantum computers for drug discovery and protein folding simulations that would take classical computers years to complete. Financial institutions are adopting quantum computing for portfolio optimization and risk analysis, allowing for more accurate predictions and better investment strategies. Logistics companies are using quantum algorithms to solve complex routing and scheduling problems, reducing costs and improving efficiency. The energy and materials sector is leveraging quantum computing to develop new battery technologies and discover novel materials with unique properties. Cybersecurity is being revolutionized through quantum key distribution and secure communication protocols. Finally, artificial intelligence and machine learning are being enhanced through hybrid quantum classical algorithms that can process patterns and discover insights at unprecedented speeds. Every sector benefits from quantum computing's unique computational abilities. Several significant barriers stand in the way of quantum computing advancement. Hardware maturity is a persistent challenge. Current quantum systems require extensive error correction, with estimates suggesting 100 physical qubits are needed to create just one reliable logical qubit. Algorithm development lags behind. We have a limited number of quantum algorithms, and most are application-specific rather than general purpose. The infrastructure and expertise barrier is substantial. Quantum computers require expensive cryogenic cooling systems operating at nearly absolute zero, and there is a severe shortage of scientists and engineers with quantum expertise. The cybersecurity threat is looming. Quantum computers could potentially break current encryption standards, requiring a transition to post-quantum cryptography. Quantum machine learning remains largely theoretical. About 50% of the market value is attributed to quantum machine learning, but practical implementations are still limited by data loading bottlenecks. Finally, demonstrating clear return on investment remains difficult as classical computing continues to improve rapidly, making it challenging to prove quantum advantage in real-world scenarios. Looking ahead, quantum computing will experience significant growth. Over the next 5 to 10 years, we expect major error correction breakthroughs leading to systems with over 1,000 qubits. Drug discovery will see quantum advantage in molecular simulation, revolutionizing pharmaceutical research. Financial institutions will implement quantum computing for portfolio optimization at scale. Post-quantum cryptography standards will become mandatory for secure communications. In the long term, quantum computing could generate $2 trillion in economic value by 2035. Quantum classical hybrid systems will become standard infrastructure in major computing centers. Quantum research will enable the discovery of new materials and energy solutions currently impossible to find. Quantum sensing and secure quantum networks will become widespread. The convergence of quantum computing with classical systems will create a new computing paradigm that solves humanity's most challenging problems in science, medicine, finance, and technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.